So we're here with Sully. His wife was Patty, who is inside taking the cooking class. Now, you guys came all the way from PA, from Pennsylvania, to come down here. And we were talking earlier, and you were saying that you've only seen 2 Grech RVs out in the wild on the road, and that this was such a cool experience for you. Why? Because you said you get to meet with a lot of the other owners, see the other, models.
It was awesome, yes. And we got to drive some stuff yesterday, the all-wheel drive, see if we're going to upgrade. And just to see everybody in one spot. It's pretty awesome.
It's pretty cool, right? Just to kind of see the community, the camaraderie. You know, you get to meet other new friends that you can make lifelong friendships with as you guys travel. Maybe you can meet up in certain states or national parks. And how many national parks have you visited so far?
Almost 25.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
and how long have you been a Grech RV owner?
22.
Okay.
Since 22. Yep.
All right.
Yep.
So we're going on year 4. So now we're in a new year. So year 4.
Just getting into year 4, yes.
And then what model Grech RV do you have?
We have the Strata.
Okay.
But we have the generator model.
Okay.
Which, thinking about going to the Ion, looks a lot easier to boondock and stuff, you know.
The general consensus has been, with these new batteries, with these new amazing batteries.
But it makes you feel good because to see the company doing so well and the class act that it is, it's amazing.
Right.
Just makes you feel pretty safe in the investment, you know, and in the fun.
Yeah, of course, when you can have fun, safe in your investment, know that the customer service is top tier white glove treatment.
No better.
Right. That was also something everybody was saying as I was going around yesterday doing interviews. One of the top things they mentioned was customer service. You know, John, AJ, just being at the ready, handling any issues, super quick, super fast to keep them on the road so you can keep adventuring.
And their maintenance guys are like amazing. We had, a couple of little tiny issues. My wife with the couch squeaking a little bit.
Okay.
They fixed everything while we were here. It was amazing.
Wow.
Yeah,
very cool.
Good. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah.
What do you think about this facility here at the Motor Enclave for any Grech RV owners that did not make this trip?
Well, we were unsure of how this camping was. We will definitely camp here next year. We went to a KOA, but we're going to stay here.
There you go.
Pretty awesome, yeah.
There you go. You're hooked now, aren't you?
Yeah, we're definitely hooked, yes. This is pretty awesome.
What is the favorite part of your Grech RV? Were you a previous camper?
No, we were total rookies.
Oh, wow.
Total rookies.
Okay, so your Grech RV was your first one?
Yes.
Okay.
And we're at the age where we don't want to start at the bottom. We want to start at the top, so that's
go big or go home, baby. Sully, thank you so much, man. I look forward to hanging out with you more this week. All right, you got it, buddy.
Thank you very much.